Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. A rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit is a farm animal. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next animal is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next animal is a hen. This is a hen. A hen is a farm animal. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is a zebra.